Hey everyone, let's take a deeper, more natural look at Holo AI, how it actually feels to use, what it's good at, where it struggles, and whether it makes sense for day-to-day content creation. Holo AI is built around speed. The whole vibe of the tool is get ideas moving fast, and that really shows the moment you start typing. You can feed it a small prompt, a rough direction, or even a messy draft, and it immediately tries to shape it into something usable. If you work in social media, marketing, or you're constantly producing small pieces of content every day, that flow feels really refreshing. You don't get stuck staring at a blank page. It pushes the process forward instantly. One thing people appreciate a lot is how quickly it adapts to tone. Once you feed it a bit of your writing style, it tends to stick to it pretty consistently. That helps if you're managing multiple brands, since you can switch voices without needing to manually rewrite everything from scratch. And for freelancers or agencies, the privacy angle is surprisingly solid. The content you generate isn't used to train the system. That means you can drop in brand guidelines, project notes, or internal copy without wondering where it'll end up. Where Holo AI shines the most is short form and mid form content. Things like captions, newsletters, ad ideas, product descriptions, quick rewrites, landing page text. All those small repetitive tasks become way faster. You can create variations, test different tones, or clean up long paragraphs without spending hours editing. It's almost like a writing accelerator instead of a writing replacement. But it's not perfect. When you push it into long, detailed content or ask for something that requires personality, storytelling, or nuance, you can feel its limits. Sometimes the writing comes out a little stiff or too structured, and you'll need to polish it to make it sound human. It's definitely possible, it just takes more hands-on editing. You'll also notice the occasional slowdown or moment where it repeats itself, especially in more complicated prompts. Holo AI's strength is efficiency, not depth. It saves time, especially for marketing-style content, but it isn't the tool you'd pick for long essays, deep creative writing, or anything that needs a very emotional or immersive tone. Think of it as a fast brainstorming partner that gets you 70 to 80% of the way there, and then you shape the final 20% with your own voice. Overall, if your work involves frequent content output and you want a smoother, faster workflow, Holo AI is genuinely helpful. It takes the pressure off the blank page, keeps your running consistent, and handles the repetitive stuff extremely well. You'll still want to refine what it writes, but the time saved day to day definitely adds up. And if you're enjoying these breakdowns, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me keep making more guides and reviews for you.